In this video, I'll show you copy and paste text on any Samsung Galaxy phone. This simple feature can save you time when sending messages, taking notes, browsing the web, or sharing information between apps. Step 1. First, open the app that contains the text you want to copy, such as a website, email, message, or document. Press and hold your finger on a word until it becomes highlighted. Samsung will display blue selection handles on both sides of the highlighted text. Step 2. Drag the blue handles to expand or reduce the selection. You can highlight a single word, a sentence, multiple paragraphs, or any specific section of text. Take your time to ensure only the content you need is selected. Step 3. Once the correct text is highlighted, a pop-up menu will appear above it. Tap Copy. The selected text is now stored in your Samsung Galaxy phone's clipboard and is ready to be pasted elsewhere. Step 4. Next, navigate to the app where you want to insert the copied text. This could be Samsung Notes, Messages, WhatsApp, Gmail, a browser search bar, or any other app with a text field. Step 5. Tap and hold inside the text field where you want the text to appear. When the pop-up menu appears, tap Paste. The copied text will instantly be inserted at the cursor location. Step 6. Samsung Galaxy phones include a built-in clipboard history feature. Open the Samsung keyboard and tap the clipboard icon on the keyboard toolbar. Here, you can view previously copied text, links, and other clipboard items. Step 7. Scroll through your saved clipboard items and simply tap any entry to paste it. This is especially useful when switching between multiple copied texts without having to copy them again. By using Samsung's clipboard tools, you can copy, manage, and paste text more efficiently, making everyday tasks faster and more convenient on your Galaxy phone.